Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change your telephone numbers on your system. So if you've changed your number or you'd like to add someone else on, this is the way forward. This is how to go around it. So the first thing you want to do is press the next button to you see user setting, hit OK, enter your code, in this case it's 1111. You then want to use the next button till you see an option that says private report. Now when you hit OK on private report and hit OK on voice report. Now with the next button, if you press that, you should see an option that says first private telephone number. So in here you can enter a number, for example 0777 111555. That's just a number I've just used for pure example, and hit OK. If you'd like to do the next number, press the next button and you can then put your second telephone number in this case it's 07777. And once you're done and you're happy with your telephone numbers you've put in, you can exit by pressing the close padlock just beside the number 3 button. You say OK to exit, and that's it. Your telephone numbers have now been changed.